Hey guys, welcome back. Got the 2005 CRV again. Today we have an issue with the hood. Hood won't open. Hood won't even pop. When you go in here, pull your hood pop, anything just loose, does nothing. I'm going to show you how to get the hood popped when that happens. Under the car, there's this plastic cover. You need an interior tool, or trim pop tool like this. And there's, I don't know, a dozen or so plastic rivets. There's one right here, I'll show you. Pop that guy out. There's a handful of them all across the bottom. Then there's two in each wheel well. Ouch! Ouch, 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 ouch. Once you get all those out, this whole panel just pops out of there. That's easy. Then what we're going to need is a long screwdriver. Something like this. Grab a flashlight, see if I can show you guys up inside there. Alright, this is going to be hard because I can't see the camera. Okay, you see this bar going straight up, and you can see, you can kind of see the latch up in there. I'm going to try to get the flashlight up, wedged up in here. So I can fit my arm up over here by the transmission. Arm goes up. We got the screwdriver here. Right here. There's a little prong on that latch. Oh. Just give it a push. You can see what I'm doing right now. There it goes. Just give it a push, and it pops. Let's try to shoot it from above. So that got it. They got it popped. Let's open it up. I'll show you what we did. So from down below, you can see the spring. Directly under this spring is the device. Oh, look, here's a cable. You can see the plastic piece broke here that holds it in. The cable didn't break, just what supports it did, but it's going to need replaced either way. So this connects. That connects right under here. See if I can show you from up here. We'll push when the hood's down. This latch clicks over. You can't see what I'm doing up here. Right there. See this thing moving? That's what unlocks it. It's unlocked there. That's it. That's how to get it open when it's broken. Next thing I got to do is change that cable, I guess. That'll be fun.